Assalamu alaikum, my dear students again. Welcome for math session with your teacher, Mr. Muhammad Salah. Today we're going to complete yesterday lesson 5.2. So please, all of you, use your notebook with me. Lesson 5.2 title is Write Percents as Fractions and Decimals. All right. Yesterday we said we have 3 types of questions in this list. Actually, they are 4, not 3. Okay. We have studied 1, 2, and 3. And today, 4 type is write each percent as a decimal. If you notice the title here, write percents as fractions. Yesterday we have studied 3 types of question about writing percents as fractions, and today we're gonna talk about what? Decimals. So write each percent as a decimal. Number 1, or question A, 4%. Question B, 58%. Question C, 89%. Are you writing with me everything? Have you finished your handwriting?
I am gonna finish.
Okay. Please open your cam to show me your handwriting in the notebooks. Okay, Fahd Al-Khalaf. Okay, Ahmed. Abdullah, I can't see anything, Abdullah, but okay, you are writing. I know you are polite and caring student about all lessons. Muhammad Isam, are you writing? Omar Hamza, are you writing? Shari? Abdullah Naeem?
Yes, mister. Yes, mister.
I'm writing right now. Also, Mr. Rad is in the class. Rad is watching the class, but he can't join it because his Wi-Fi is too bad, okay?
Okay.
So he's in the class. Like right now, I can tell him to send a message on the group chat with me and him, and I can show it to you.
Okay. Let's get started here. The solution of first question. 4%. How can I write it as a decimal? First, you need to write it as a fraction. Then you can write it as a decimal. Okay? So as a fraction, it's 4 out of 100. And read it. Read it. 4 out of 100, or 4 over 100, or 4 hundredths. Do you remember? How can I write this as a decimal? First of all, look at the denominator 100. So you need to put decimal point and how many places on the right? How many decimal places on the right? 2, according to your zeros down. All right? Then take 4 in the last place here. Then 0 here, and we should put 0 here for completing the answer. This is 4 hundredths. 4 hundredths equals 4 out of 100 equals 4,000. Am I right when I say 4,000? No, of course, it's a 4%. Yeah, I'm just kidding to you. So here, question B, I'm waiting your answers in the chat box. And I'm gonna choose one of you to solve it directly with me. Good job, Aday, the first one who answered right. Excellent, Muhammad, Ali, Abdullah, good job. I said, Aday, you're right. Abdullah Khorji, you're right. Okay, Aday, but I'm waiting your classmates' answer. Ahmed Rumali, good job, Ahmed. Adam, no. Because you wrote or you type by your wrong way many zeros, I don't need them. How many places should you put on the right? On right hand side of decimal point, how many places? Let me ask Uday here. Uday, what should I
Yes.
write as a fraction first?
58 over 100.
58 over 100, good job. So 58 hundredths, how can I write 58 hundredths here?
0.58 because there is 2 places.
Yes, 0 point and 2 places here, Adam, because you have 2 zeros. 2 places, 2 decimal places according the number of zeros down, and put 8 first, then 5. We must start by using 8, okay? Then 5. So this is 85 hundredths. Don't forget.
Easy,
The last
mister.
question. I'm waiting your answers about the last questions. Thank you, Aday. The last question. Excellent. Abdullah and Aday and Ahmed Rumali. So you know the answer right now of every question in this lesson. We have 4 types of questions in this lesson. This is the 4th type. So we finished lesson 5.2. So let us start in our books after solving this question with the second one who raised his hand here, Adam. Yes, Adam, your
Yes,
answer in the chat box is right. What should I write first?
Okay.
Explain.
First we write 89 over 100, 89 hundredths, and then you put according to the 100, you put a decimal point, then you put 2 spaces,
That's right.
and then you first put the 9,
9, that's right here.
and then you put the 8,
8,
and then you put the 0.
that's right here. That's right. Good job. Good solution. Good explanation.
Mister, the first one I typed 2 zeros by wrong.
Oh, okay. So guys, have you finished your handwriting? Show me your handwriting about these 3 questions, about the 4th type of our questions in this lesson. I'm waiting. Open your cams, please. Open your cams. Okay, Fahd. Excellent. Excellent. Excellent, Fahd Al-Khalaf and Fahd Ahmed Omar. What about Abdullah and Abdurrahman Abu Aisha? Thank you, Ahmed Rumali, Abdullah Khorji, Uday, Yusuf Al-Nazr. Please show me, please, your handwriting in the notebook quickly. Abdurrahman, Abdullah Basri,
Yes, Mr.
Aziz.
Sorry for the class.
Have you written everything, the 3 questions and their answers? Do you understand them?
Yeah, I understand.
Yeah, I understand, mister. It's easy.
Okay, so let us start in our book here, page 275. I think we solved the first question. Am I right? Tell me yes or no. Have we solved the first question? Tell me, guys, have we solved the first question?
Can you please go back, Mr. It's not
Yes.
done writing.
Yes.
Mr. It's not done writing. Could you please go back just for a second?
Right.
Then try lesson 5.2 something something.
They are easy. You must solve them by yourself.
No, yeah, I know the answer. I mean, I didn't write it on the notebook. I didn't write it on time.
Okay. So here in this page, guys, 275, we have
Okay, thank you.
unlocked the problem. So let's unlock the problem together quickly. Carlos eats a banana, an orange, and a blueberry muffin for breakfast. What fraction of the daily value of vitamin C does each item contain? Banana contains 15% of vitamin C. Okay. Here's the orange, 113%. Blueberry muffin, 0.5. It means 5/10%. So I need to write each percent as a fraction. The question asked us, what fraction? He says, what fraction? So again, what fraction? Please highlight it like me or underlined or round it to know what is the required. What fraction of each item? So here, the first item is banana. It's 15%. So 15 as a fraction, all of us, we know this. So I'm gonna choose one of you, Abdurrahman or Aisha, to complete it. Abdurrahman, quickly. What should I write here?
Yes, Mr.
What out of 100?
115.
15 over 100. That's right.
Yeah.
Let's write it in the simplest form. I need the answer in the simplest form.
In the simplest form,
What should I do when I want to write anything in the simplest form? You must say divide. Divide the denominator
divide
by what?
by 2.
Ask yourself, is 15 divisible by 2?
No.
No. Is it divisible by 5?
Yes.
Yes, so choose the common factor. 5 divisible here, 15 is divisible by 5 and 100 divisible by 5. So 15 divisible by 5 equals what?
15 divided by 5?
Yeah.
3.
3. And 100 divided by 5?
100 divided by 5?
Take 10.
Yeah.
By 5 equals?
20.
Good job, all of it 20. So the final answer as a fraction is?
The final answer is 3 over 20.
3 over 20. Good job, Abdurrahman. You are smart here, but you need to calculate fast. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
So write this in the book, please. Write the answer, guys.
Star.
Have you finished?
Yes. Mr. Can we write 15 divided by 3?
Look, ask yourself 100 divisible by 3?
Yeah, it can, Mr. It's 25.
It's what?
It's 25.
No, 25, 25, 25, 75.
What do you mean?
You said 100 divided by 3 equals 25. Am I right? You said that.
Yeah.
No, this is wrong answer.
Okay, Mr. I divided wrong.
You divided them by 4. You divided by 4 to get 25. But here, 100 is not divisible by 3. Let's take the second item. The second item for an orange, I think.
Victor, can you go up, please?
Yes. The second item
I'll
for
just
orange,
screenshot it, so no need to it.
113. 113%. Who can solve it with me? I need Muhammad Isam. Muhammad Isam.
Yes, Mr. Yes.
Answer please this question quickly.
Okay, right.
That's right. 113 equals 100 plus 13. Yes, 100
13.
plus 13. All of them,
13.
yeah, have 100 in the denominators. So 100 over 100 equals
Okay.
what? This one equals what?
100 over 100.
Look, 100 small squares shaded. So means one whole. Means what?
One whole, yeah. I
One
was
whole.
gonna say it. One whole.
One whole.
One whole, yeah.
One whole plus what?
One whole. 13.
13 hundredths. So the
Oh,
final
one
answer.
whole and the 3 and the 13 over 1 whole and 13 over 100.
Good job. That's the answer. So 100 over 100 means one whole, and 13 over 100 as a fraction. All the answer as what? As a mixed number. Okay, look, write the sum as mixed
Okay.
number. Because we have 113% greater than 100. Let's take the third item. Muhammad Isam again, please focus and answer with me. How can I write 0.5% as a fraction? What should I write out of 100 here? Huh?
What, Mister?
0.5%.
0.5.
Yeah. Equals
0.5%.
what out of 100? What here is out of
5.
100? Yeah, 0.5. The same number. The same number.
5. 0.5.
0.5.
Yeah, 0.5.
But we don't want this point in this answer. We don't want it. So we're gonna delete it. We're gonna move it to the right. How can I move it to the
And
right?
we delete the 0 because we didn't need. We will make it in the right. It will be 50, and it's half.
No, no. Only the decimal point is going to move to the right from here to here. 0 on
The
his
decimal
place.
point, yes.
0 in his place on the left. When this point moves to here, the zero has no value. Okay?
We'll cancel it.
Yeah, we cancel it. So how can we cancel decimal point? By multiply the both numbers up and down by 10. Okay? When you multiply the numerator by 10, so you should to multiply the denominator by 10 also. Okay? The answer.
So in which direction does the decimal point go?
The answer here becomes 5, and the answer down becomes what? 1,000. Look, this is common.
1,000.
Okay.
Yeah, 1,000.
100 times 10 equals 1,000. Let's write it in the simplest form. I need the answer in the simplest form. What should I do, Muhammad, to write it as the simplest form? When I want,
divide.
Yeah, we're gonna divide. Divide by what? Look, 4 common factor for 5 and 1,000. Of course, 5 has a common factor 5 and 1,000 has a common factor 5. Guys, you need to remember simplest form rules. If you see
I'm writing everything you're
5, if you see 5 up and any number has 0 down, any number has 0 down, like 100, like 1,000, divide both of them by 5. Divide both of them by 5, okay? So 5 divided by 5 equals what, Muhammad?
1.
1. And 1,000 divided by 5 equals? How can I know the answer? Take 0 with 1 to make 10. 10 divided by 5 equals?
10 divided by 50.
I will not multiply them, Muhammad. Focus, please. I divide.
I here is to multiply.
10
okay. 10
divided by 5 equals?
5. 2?
2, that's right. What else? What should
200.
I do? 200. Yes, this is the answer. The final answer is 1 over what? 200. So look, 0.5% or 5/10. This is 5/10. This is what? 5/10.
Equals 1 over 200.
5/10% equals 1 out of 200. 1 out of 200. Look.
100.
Do you get it?
Yeah.
Okay. So Muhammad, if I wrote 1% like this, 1% is going to be what over what?
1 over the 100.
1 over 100, that's right. Look at here, 0.5, it means half. It means what? Half. 0.5% or 5/10% equals 1 over 2, like half, but 200 because I have percent. Do you see this? And do you see this?
Yeah.
Okay. So I think you understand it. How can you find it as a fraction right now?
Mister, Mister, I have a question.
What is that?
Mister, can I annotate?
Okay, you can.
Okay, Mister. Mister, it's like Mister. Now it's like this. It's like 1 over 20, 200. If I
Okay.
want as a percent, or I can't, like this, or I can't.
Annulate as you want. What should you want?
I can't.
Fahd, please stop handwriting.
Like this.
Look, 1
One.
over 200, if you want it as a percent like this, okay, you will study this way with me, inshallah, next lesson in 5.3. You will convert it into 0.5%. If you have 1 over 100 like this, you will multiply it by 100. You will multiply it by 100. Okay?
Okay.
And you will see the way. You will see the way. Don't
Okay.
hurry to know the way right now, but understand how can you convert this percent as a fraction. Okay?
Mister, you write in the you write that we have 4.1 till 4.8 and 5.1 till 5.3, and we didn't take 3.
Yeah, inshallah, next week we're gonna study lesson 5.3 before the exam.
Okay.
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 So guys, I have an important question for
Okay.
you right now here. I need one of you to answer it. Question, reason quantitatively. Reason quantitatively here. Okay, Abdullah Bakhurji. Explain
Yes,
why. Explain why 2 10 by 10 grids were used to show 113% here. Can you see?
Yes, I can see.
So why 2 10 by 10 grids used to show?
Yes, because it will show us that 100 10 by 10 grid is a whole that shaded all, and 13 by the second one is the 13. To plus them to equal the 1 whole and 13 over 100.
That's right. And
Yes.
you must to say like this answer. You said an expression, not
Yes.
bad, but you should to say because 113 greater.
It's more than 100.
Yes, more than 100 or greater than
Yes.
100. That's right. Because of this, we need to 10 by 10 grades.
Yes.
That's right. So guys, all of you write this short answer because 113 greater than 100. This is a short explaining.
But Mr. Can I answer a question?
You will answer next question, of course. Have you finished, guys, your handwriting here?
Mr.
Quickly say yes.
they're not.
All right. Next question in page 276.
Mister, I didn't finish. Go up.
Because 113 greater than 100.
I'm done.
Done? Okay. Abdullah Bakhurji, the first question
Yes,
A
Mr.
in page 276. Write 72%
Yes,
as
as a decimal.
yeah, what should I write here?
Write 72 over 100
Mhm.
equals what's Mr.
Focus, Yusuf Abu Shomi. I said next. What should I do?
Then write it 0 behind 0.72.
That's right, 0.72 as a decimal.
Yes.
Good job. This is the answer.
Yes,
This is the answer. Good job. Very,
Easy,
very.
Mister. I write a whole paragraph about the box explanation about the lesson
Thank you, Abdullah.
for the exams. If
Mister, we're gonna write. Mister, in the exam, we're gonna write you a poem of how to answer the question.
No, only write the answer like this How can I write 4%? Don't use this way. Don't use long division way. Directly explain to me here the answer. What should I put? What should I write? On
Yes,
the left hand
Mr.
side and on left hand side and right hand side. Muhammad. 4%. How can I write it?
0.04.
0.04. Easy. Excellent, Muhammad. Do you need any effort to finish this question, guys?
No.
No, thank you.
نفس الشيء درسنا نسويه.
Yeah. Fahd Ahmed, turn right now. What about question
My
C?
turn.
Question C. Question
Ah, this one is 4 digits. Very, very hard. Is it 2.581? Or
okay.
did I do it wrong?
5,
4
I
digits.
mean 52. Am I right? 52?
No, 25.
That's right. 2581 out of 100. This is
Oh, wait, no. 0.2581.
as a decimal. So what should I write?
You confuse me. What do you mean?
As a decimal. I want it as a decimal. How?
So it's 0.2581 or is it 2.581?
0.2581, the correct answer. Good job.
Yeah, that's what I said. Very smart. Very
That's
smart.
right. You moved the decimal point to the left.
Yeah, you see, if you give anyone the 4 digits question, they'll get strong. Haha.
That's right. Good job. Excellent, my dear student. Question 1 in share and show. Question 1 in share and show. Uday. Write the percent as
Yes, Mr.
write the percent as a fraction.
Mr. It's 80 over 100.
Then in the simplest form.
Mr. 2.
2, you will divide by 2 or what? Or 2
Or
what?
4.
Or 4. Can you cancel 0 with 0? That means you divide by 10 everyone.
Yes.
Then you have 8 over.
We have someone named Hassan Zayan, Mr.
Okay. Focus, please, Mshadi. Don't care about him right now.
Yes, Mr. Then 8, 10.
8, 10. Yeah, here 8, but I need to write it in the simplest form. Is this in the simplest form if you say 8 over 10?
Yeah.
No.
No, Mr.
What should I do?
Divide by 2.
Divide by 2. The final answer is?
4 over 5.
4 over 5. 4 over 5, the last simplest form in this question. Easy. Thank you, Adai, for the solution. Muhammad Isam again. 115% Muhammad. The same question you will solve. 150%.
Okay, first thing we will put 100 over 100, 100 over 100, 100 over 100.
Plus?
Okay, plus 50.
50 over
Over 100.
What should I write here?
Mm,
If you have 100 small square are shaded, so
okay,
you,
one.
yeah. And here 50 over what?
Oh,
50
50
over
over 100.
Okay, if you have 50 small squares are shaded out of 100, so that means you shade the half of.
What, mister? You're lagging.
If you have 50 small squares are shaded in the grid out of 100. Okay?
Mister, you're lagging.
Okay, do you see? Do you see this? Hussein.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If I shade 50 smallest square here, 50, look,
Okay.
2, 3, 4, 5, look, 50, 50, 50,
Okay.
50 till here. So that means I shaded the half of the shape, the half of the grid. That's right? Is it right?
Yeah.
The half
Yeah.
of the grid. So 50
Yeah.
over 100 means 1/2. 50 over 100 in the simplest form.
Yeah,
One.
I know, Mister. It's the half of 100. 1/2.
So guys, I hope all of you to finish these page as a homework, the rest the questions, okay? And on your own also as a homework, all of it. Do you understand our today's lesson?
Mister, wait, I did them. Wait, 1 second, I'll open my camera.
Okay.
1 second. I'm
Wait.
gonna show you, I already did it.
Because I have another session and you have another.
Look, teacher. Look, I did this.
Yeah, good job. But
There, I did that.
make sure to see your answers, all your answers correct or not. See you
Okay.
next time. Bye.
Bye.